shit right, you know, as long as you do shit right, doesn't matter how you do it. I mean, it does matter how you do it, but you gotta do it right, you know? As long as you do it right at the end. I'm not high right now, but probably would have been on a normal day. Been busy. And my jobs are like 20 minutes away and shit. So that, you know, if it's 30 minutes away, okay, I roll up. But 20 minutes away, fuck it, I'll just go. Oh, you do? Oh, yeah, a little pump. That shit work good. You shut off where the valves for the water heater at? In there too? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna cut this. I'm gonna take this shit out. He's gonna have to get your new kitchen sink and shit. He already knows what's up. You know what's funny? He said try to save the kitchen sink and I'll do it for 17. Oh man. It's like getting a fucking cat out of a chicken. You ain't doing it. It's not happening. I think it's fucking humongous. The cabinet? Oh, looks like it's ready to go. This saves the door. I'm gonna have to cut out most of this shit. Well, this just comes off. Here, this is your channel lock? Yeah, I'm gonna take all this stuff off. You got the plate on, off still? Alright, so let's test for. Let's test it. Alright, start shutting off some of the breakers. Shut off some of the breakers and test it. It's gonna be a double block. That's it right there. Is it 30? Yeah, it's probably leftover voltage though. I detect this out. Keep turning shit off. Maybe a double block. That might have been it right there. Yeah, that was it. It only does it when I tap on something. I think that's it bugging out. Turn it back on. Turn the other one back on. Yeah, that's definitely it. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's leave them both off though. Got them both off? Oh, cool. So what's this? Take it all out, test it out. I'm gonna shut this shit up. Shit is annoying. Yeah, that's weird. This is like really tough. How'd you take all this shit out? You didn't even take it out, right? Never took it out. I hope this can fucking. No, I'm gonna take the shit off. Wow, look at all that shit underneath. Let's move this over there. Probably has some mice. They be doing that shit. I had an infestation one time. They fucking drag all the like the insulation. They build a bed and shit. We should clean this up. You got like a broom or something? Garbage bag, a little dustpan. Get all this shit off. I'm gonna have to roll it out of there. Yeah. Okay, let's take this pump out. Got that channel lock. Is it only you that lives here? So you living in here right now? Okay, good. Nice and quiet in here. No, we got five gremlins running around. A kid, you know, sometimes there'll be a house. I don't mind when there's kids. Oh yeah, I got one kid, so. But, you know, I got a whole bunch of kids running around usually sometimes, but it's late right now, so I figured maybe they were sleeping or something. Let's get it though. all fire hazard. Fire shit. Oh, stuff the way should come out. Enough room right there. Thanks, bro. Let's get her out. Flexible. Fucking. That's gonna be a bitch. Oh wow, the sink is right there. Oh, that's gonna be a bitch. Wow, I didn't even look at that. Look at that. Fucking sink is right on it. Oh no, forget about it. Oh, this is over. This shit's gotta go. Let's head in the sink. Don't worry, we're gonna get it though. You ready for this to get demolished? Yeah. It all coming back at once. It happens like that when you push it to the side. It'll hit you all at once. No, it's good. You got more stuff than I do. Sure. You clean this shit with baby wipes and shit. This is all gotta go, man. I just hope it stays supported. I mean, yeah, it's not gonna stay supported. Yeah, that's bad right there. Yeah. Gonna have to cut it out halfway. Just like cut it out halfway right here. Gonna get it out. This one? Maybe the only thing that. Oh wow, yo, so let's take this off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this side out. I'll cut it out. something. Fuck. It's a fucking sink, man. I have to cut this whole shit out. I have to break this whole shit. This whole shit. It's just gotta go. It's just gotta go. How is that? That'll hold up. This shit's gotta go. This shit's gotta go. Whoever put this in here was a genius. Yeah. Well, these just the old thermostats? Or you bought extra ones too? Well, those are probably working fine. No, see, there's probably some shit wrong with the fucking arm. Hopefully after this it's all good though. Not. Hopefully after this, we gotta do nothing. After this, it can only be an electrical issue. I doubt it though, man. This is an old son of a gun. 2016, 7 years, 8 years. Yeah, December, 8 years. It's all clogged up in here, man. Well, look at that. That's where I was fucked up. You got one, you're missing one connection completely. You see that? wire nuts or no? Fuck. It's over. Yeah, it's just coming off. See, that's over now. This shit broke off in there not long ago. You might have to get an electrician. It's all fucked up, man. Can't do that. To have it together. I could just tie it together to work. If I just tied it up. Disconnect this shit. It's fucking galvanized. They got this fucking. What is it? Why is it all this set up? Look at this. It's leaking from the top. Assuming this left one's hot. Let me see, it's marked off. Look, it's over here. Okay, so that. This one's. Oh, yeah, this left one's hot. Comes off the kitchen sink. Left is hot on the kitchen sink, right? You never know. Connectors, this brass, those other shit's gonna do. Look at that shit just broke off. That's how bad that shit is, that galvanized. Fucking broke off on me. Let's see. Galvanized. Shouldn't be putting no galvanized should be on any potable water system. It's not good. Huh? Yeah, that valve might not be off all the way. Yeah, that could be just leftover water. Okay, so we got a little bucket. Goes into, I wanted to leave it like that before. dielectric nipple or some shit. We should be fine. Oh, I gotta reuse this. Yes. I was driving to Home Depot thinking like, yo, I should cancel, you know. But I thought about you, and I'm like, you know what? I want to do it for my man's more than I want to. I want to do it for you more than I want to do it for him. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good, man. I still want to do it for him too. I'm not gonna. You gotta save money. I get it. Whatever. It ain't gonna take me too long. I'm supposed to be out at 10, but I don't mind taking a little extra. Should work, man. I'm just fucking doing toilet bullshit and fucking faucets and shit. Maybe today, you know, gas repair, but not big. I gotta sneak that shit. What you mean? You gotta take the pipe apart from the bottom. Right there. You take it apart from the trap. And then you stick it out. Clean out the trap too, dump it on while you're at it. Alright. So I'm just gonna shove this bitch in there. Let's get her in there. We brought the parts with me. This will be in no time. So yeah, that one circuit that we have on, that's the water. You want to mark it? You want to mark it? Euros, future 10X. Nah, as you should.
I'm not doing a fucking shot. That's 240 volts.
Yeah, that'll kill somebody for sure. That'll stop the heart for sure. I've been lucky, you know. This is my first time using a fucking TIG tester. You know, that shut off don't always work sometimes. I've just been lucky. I've been saying fuck it. You ever changed the water heater before?
Nope.
No? Oh, so good. You're getting a little learner there now. Yeah, so basically, you know, pretty simple. I mean, you got the water supply connections. You got the temperature relief valve. This is in case it goes to 210 degrees, right just before boiling water. And it'll start spewing out of there. Protect it from overheating. So what?
David gonna flip shit.
Yeah.
I told you the kitchen needed to be replaced. If we would have known this shit, we would have known the water heater was there a long time ago.
Yeah, I should probably. You know, honestly, you should go tankless, so you're not gonna want to invest in that. Tankless. Really good. Yeah. Tankless, forget about it. You have to run a new outlet. Shit like that. You know, it's just like anything. If you don't put the money in the right spot, then it will catch up to you. Like if you ain't been saving up all that rent, you're ready. At one point, it's gonna come to a point where he's gonna wish he did. You all been there before. I've been there before. You think everything's good, and it ain't. That's good. That's perfect. Make sure you shower. I'm gonna roll up a blunt. Go home. Yeah, I wish you could too, man. This job, you need it. At this job.
I got whiskey in the fridge.
Whiskey, okay. At least you got something. What type of whiskey you got?
When the fuck did a plate get in my fridge?
Yeah, I'll be mad as hell, yo. This fucking random shit be happening.
You get in there. No.
Hey, that'll do me right.
I mean, it's 100.
That's good. Man, is it home? Sure, I'm gonna have to try me some of that, man. So, are we taking a shot of that shit? Or? Let's do it, come on. Take a shot, let's see what that tastes like. Come on, bro. Wow. That's some fucking, that's high grade, that's some fucking military shit right there. That's good grade. Pure whiskey.
$32.
Wow. Old Forester. That might be my new shit, honestly. You be mixing, drinking straight? Whatever, right? Whatever the fucking vibe is. Oh, you want to really? I don't go fucking in. Be careful with this grass shit. Fuck it up a little bit. Oh shit, like, holy, I think I've had some shit like that at a restaurant. Straight from Italy. Like Sicily or some shit? I don't know. It's really good. That's good shit. It's like the blood of Jesus right there. That's good fucking shit right there, man. Oh. Alright. Oh shit, hold up. Oh, it's bad shit over there. We need to do the electrical. Should be good to go. Alright, so this is cold. Let's connect this to the cold generator first. So this shit can stop fucking leak though. Huh? I'd be having like a little container. This shit. What you got? Yeah, you can put it right here. It's all good. That shit's been shitted on. Fucking bag went through I appreciate you, man. I love you for that. Yo, man. As you should, my brother. That's not even disrespect. That's called defense, self-defense. Don't let nobody come at you. Yeah. I hope this shit don't leak. Oh shit, that's fire. You make those? What's the dispensary called? The Hemp Soldier? Hemp Social? Oh, that's pretty dope. I went to a spot called Cream. You don't need it? Oh, you my man. I'm taking this shit. Oh yeah, that's dope as fuck. Appreciate you. We'll start filling up the water here, then we'll turn the valve back on. That way, you don't want to turn, you know, this came with different nipples. Oh, God. Only certain coming out. The easy rollers type shit. I be smoking straight Dutch Masters, yo. You probably see me go to the store real quick. Before I pulled out, I had to make sure I grabbed me a pack before they closed. I'm sure you know you might be right. What game are you playing? Call of Duty, something like it. That shit not coming out for sure. Yeah, try with some pliers maybe. Pliers with the teeth a little better. Smoked on you? For real? That's crazy. Right back. This one? That's good. That's perfect. That one's in. I don't want my stuff going also. Okay, yeah, stick it right there. That's good. No, that's good. It's just gonna, it's all gonna electrify and stay in the nut anyways. It's not like, it would have ruined the circuit. That's the one you gave me? Oh, I thought it was on sale. Yeah, I'm definitely pulling up with that shit. Couple A's in my bag. Feeling good? He said, ooh. gotta get that shit, bro. Just been playing pub and 2K, yo. I'm stuck. Oh, P5. You? You on the box? Oh yeah? You gotta add me, yo. I'll be on the 2K though a lot too. What you do? Oh yeah? Yeah, I don't be on the LD.
Anything after that, I got to like 89, 90, and stop. So, like, no, I don't even play like that. Why am I supposed to spend the money on the game?
No, facts. I don't even fucking play that shit again. I used to have like a whole clique. We used to all play together and shit.
That was me.
Niggas died out.
But then it's like I didn't have nobody to play with.
Yeah, supposed to die out and shit. Alright, so now it's gonna be a bitch because the nipples on the old water here didn't come up this high. So, it's gonna be a bitch. Hammer right here. I'm gonna hit it up. I'll lift it up right there.
Try to.
Yeah, go ahead, let's do it. Oh, this extra shit. Wow, that's a heavy bitch. My bad, my bad. Yeah, you got to. That's fucked up. Sorry, brother. Yeah. Ethan's fucking at the door. This shit is so late on the night. Gotta get done. This point is fucking hurt. You know what? That water here you had so old, it didn't have the nipples on here. Here, put it in here. Yeah, you go to sleep, you handle this shit another time. Too much right now.
I
Yeah,
ain't even going to sleep.
microwave, we want the microwave.
Out the fucking window. There ain't no room for me to even go nowhere.
That shit all gotta go, yo. I'm about to cut this shit. You can put it, you want me to put it on the floor? Whatever. Here, you can try to lift it up. No, my bad. Go ahead. Try to lift it up. I'm gonna redo this whole shit. I'm gonna have to cut that shit. You got a soles on? Yeah. No? You have to cut it. Let's fill it up with water. And then we turn on off. Huh? Oh, it'll put stress on the joints. Definitely just don't pack nothing on there.
I'll leave it like that.
Yeah, it ain't too bad. You don't got another valve for the hot right here? No?
Just those two.
Just this one?
That one on the bottom.
That?
That one, and then that one on the bottom.
And that's it, right? Alright, cool. Alright.
That one on the bottom, I have those.
That's all the air coming off the lines. Alright, so let's test her. I mean, wait for it to fill up a bit, and then let's turn it on. Let's see if she's getting power. I mean, now that's crazy because that water here was getting power.
Can we get it
it wasn't connected. Maybe it broke off as we were pulling it. Yeah. Nah, I want it to fill up before we heat up the elements. Cause if you don't fill it up right away.
That's probably what I did right
Yeah. All
there.
right.
I cut the power on, then cut the water on.
Oh, you definitely burnt it out. 100%. Hey, you always. I did that too my first time. You gotta fucking fuck it up to learn. But now you know. Now you can probably turn it on. Now it's not that bad. Yeah, turn it on. Well, let's wait a little bit more. Wait a little bit more. You know what? Let me bring the tools back. No, I don't want to be up back and forth.
I was gonna say we can go get the fucking other shit off the other one.
What?
Those pieces off the other one.
Off of the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Once I go downstairs, I'm trying to make that my last hoorah.
I do that when we go down.
Yeah,
Fuck it.
should be filling up. It's almost filled up. You hear it? Air's coming out. You gotta wait like 5 minutes before turning it on. It's not a big deal. Water? Yeah. There you go, it's filled. Alright, turn it on. Oh, fuck. Can't use this water. I knew it was leaking. I saw the clip up here, but I didn't know it was that bad on there. Shit, man. Yeah, your man's got a problem here, brother. Got a whole sorts of issues. God damn. Plug it out, man. Yeah, I mean, he's got a wiring issue. It must not, that black wire must be fucked up. It was disconnected or something.